Everything you need to know about money. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of YouTube movies about money. Maybe tens of thousands. But not one of them will tell you this. You have to come to QWERTY Typo to find this out. What is this you're going to find out here? Well, dollar bills are money. But that's obsolete now. You will use a credit card. That's the real money today. People worry about Bitcoin taking over money. No, forget about it. Money has already been taken over by credit cards. You can buy something, get it, use it, and never once pull out a dollar bill to pay for it. You use a credit card. Probably 90 to 95% of each person's purchases are made with credit cards. The other 5% are cash. What does that make that? That makes credit cards are the new money. Only it's not called money, it's called credit card. This is the new money. This has taken over. You can't function in society without a credit card, especially if you're buying online. There's no way to pay for it. You can't shove the money through your walkie-talkie to pay for something. So this is the thing that they're not teaching, that we have a new money. We have a new currency. It's called the credit card. The only thing is, it's better for businesses that you use the credit card because you also have the opportunity for debt. So it's not only you have money, but you have access to debt. The dollar bill is regulated by the federal government. But the real money we use, called credit cards, that's the real money. It's not regulated by the government. It's regulated by private companies. They are issuing money through credit cards. This is going back to what, 500 years ago? When lenders used to fill out script, and that was the first money. Individual lenders would fill out script for you to spend. Well, now we have the same thing. We have individuals making the money, not earning the money, but actually printing money. When they print a credit card, they're printing money.